don't you put some stuff on the tree, honey? Why don't you put some stuff on the tree, okay? Let's decorate the tree. Oh, okay, Connor. On the tree, honey. Wow, it's so tangled up. Come on, put some of the things on the tree. I'm untangling this, okay? Anything is okay. You decide, okay? Yeah, anything's okay. Yeah. Oh, that's good. Ah, that was for the top, okay? That's for the top. You want to put it on? Wait, okay. Wait, take it. Wait, put it on. Okay, good job, Kana. Yeah. Good job. That's a star. You got a star on the top of the tree. You did a good job. Wow, nice. Hey, Kana, anything else? Anything else? Whatever you like. Okay. Pardon? Yeah, whatever you like, Kana. No, you got a bunch of stuff out. See this? These you can put.
These two.
Yeah.